Hello, I'm Max
Hello, my name is Darren.
and we are from DTK 1A. And today we're gonna show you guys how to use the technique to use the function of generator. Hello, today we're gonna teach you guys how to use the technique to use function generator and an oscilloscope. This is oscilloscope, and to set up the oscilloscope, plug in the lead to the C1 terminal and change the mode to the C1 modes. Ensure that the trigger hold off button is set to auto, and make sure the source channel is set to the output to the input channel that you connected to, which is C channel 1. The variation dial should be set to cold by turning the dial clockwise until it clicks. This is how you measure the voltage. The vertical position dial is used to change the position of the signal's display relative to the grids. The volts divided by division dial changes to the scale of the display signal voltage, and it used to ensure that the entire range of the signal is displayed on the screen. Calculate peak-to-peak voltage. The number of division between the maximum and the minimum of the signal must be counted. The value will be multiplied by the voltage per division setting, and it will give you the peak-to-peak voltage, measuring the period and the frequency. The horizontal position dial is used to change the position of the signal display relative to the grids. The time per division dials change the time scale of the display signal. It is used to ensure that an entire cycle of the signal is displayed on the screen.
Right, the next thing that we're going to use is function generator. So how to use the function generator? Firstly, setting up the function generator. Power on the generator by clicking the power switch on the function generator. Secondly, select the desired output signal. It is square wave, sine wave, and triangle wave. Thirdly, make sure that the function generator is connected directly to the oscilloscope by using the output leads. This is to visualize the output signal to the oscilloscope. Set its parameters by controlling the amplitude control and the frequency adjustment knob on the oscilloscopes. And using the oscilloscope generator, firstly, attach the output leads to the function generator to the input of the circuit you wish to test. Secondly, attach the output of your circuit to a meter or oscilloscope to visualize the resulting change in signal. And that's it.
And yeah, this is how the oscilloscopes and the function generator looks like when they're sitting side by side and get connected with each other. Other than that, this is also a physical device used to connect electronic test equipment to a device under test. This is called test probe. It can measure voltage, current, and two-terminal components such as resistors and voltage.
And that's all from us. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys can understand and know about how to use the function generator and the oscilloscopes.
Bye!